Siemens S7-300 CPU 317-2DP is a CPU with a large program memory. EU 317-2DP, the CPU with a large program memory and quantity framework for demanding applications. For cross-industry automation tasks in series machine, special machine, and plant construction. Used as central controller in production lines with central and distributed I/O, processing power in binary and floating point arithmetic. 2 Profibus DP master-slave interfaces. For comprehensive I/O expansion. For configuring distributed I/O structures. Isochronous mode on Profibus. Optionally supports the use of cymatic engineering tool. This isolated barrier is used for intrinsic safety applications. The device transfers digital signals from NAMA sensors or dry contacts from the hazardous area to the non-hazardous area. The proximity sensor or the mechanical contact controls the control side load for a relay contact output. The device output changes the state when the input signal changes the state. Via switches the mode of operation can be reversed and the line fault detection can be switched off. During a fault condition. This is a DC power supply. The Kint industrial power supplies offer a complete range of rugged AC to DC and DC to DC converters built to meet the high stability and efficiency expectations of industrial machine automation and process control environments. Valve controller PR2224. Front programmable. Milliamp, volt, and ohm programmable input. Ramp times, jump values, reversal, chopper frequency, and deadband. 3-digit LED display shows iValve percent value. 1 or 2 channel. Digital amplifier and control modules DMA. Controlled applications. Closed-loop applications. With bus interface, Profibus, Profidrive, Profinet. Ethernet IP, CAN open. Single and multi-module versions. Special LVDT interface for valve, pump or motor controller. Extension module for additional analog and digital I/O. Customized versions. Brand labeling. Adapted software versions. Special parameterizations. This is a safety relay. Safety relays are devices that implement safety functions. In the event of a hazard, a safety relay will work to reduce the risk to an acceptable level. When an error occurs, the safety relay will initiate a safe and reliable response. Each safety relay monitors a specific function.